Hey everyone, it's Grocery Holiday, and today we went back to Dollar Tree. So this Dollar Tree was about 30 minutes north of us. And everybody kept saying, if you're going to try Dollar Tree, this Dollar Tree has way more groceries than any of the other Dollar Trees in our area. So I drove the distance up there, and it was worth it. I spent about less than $50 on everything you're going to see on this table. So let me go ahead and break it down. There are a couple of things that are going to be for sure in the grocery haul this week, and that is a members only post. You click the join button below for more information. You can access a members only post, 99 cents a month and above, gets you breakfast, lunch, dinner, dessert, and snack. Also, it shows in detail what we're already using from our stock up freezer and what we bought to go with those items in our stock up freezer for one full week for a family of 6. Let's start right here with these pizzas. I've never tried this brand right here. This is something new to us, but I figured at the current cost of like $1, it's around $1 to $2 for individual size frozen pizzas pretty much anywhere. So I figured we would go ahead and try these. If we don't like them, it's okay. We do have like chicken going that we're going to have with it anyways, because we usually do chicken with it for just additional protein for all the carbs in the pizza. So 3 of us picked the deluxe pizzas. I did also get one more of the original cheese one, and then this is a brand that we have seen before, and there were also 3 of these, and we're air frying chicken. Is it done? And the chicken's done behind us. So we're gonna try, probably put 4 of these in the oven and then put the others in the air fryer just to speed up the process. But yeah, we're gonna try. It does say microwave, but it's pizza. We're totally going to put it in the oven for 16 minutes. It's all good. And then we're going to air fry some of these. But just to speed the process up, do that with parchment paper. Let's also make it easy cleanup after shopping day. Also, I had seen other people talking about these individual bags of berries that are perfect for smoothies. It says so on the bag, perfect for smoothies, from Dollar Tree. So I'm hoping, this is actually too much berries to fit inside of my magic bullet. So I can actually make 2 batches from one bag, and $1.25 per bag. And then I half that, and then I can also use some of the oat milk that you saw in yesterday's haul, or we can just add water to it if we have to, just for budget's sake. But yeah, we do have these, and we also have like the regular cow's milk too, and then we could do the lactose-free milk for lactose-free people. But yeah, so there's 2 bags of strawberry mango blueberry, which is also an interesting blend, and then there's 2 bags of the berry banana blend. The pepper stir fry, this bag, when I felt it, felt really full. The only thing I watch for with this, whether I determine whether it's worth buying again or not, is if it has a lot of like what I call filler junk pieces, instead of just like good actual edible pepper pieces from the pepper whenever they bag these. So we're going to try that. But it did feel pretty full, and honestly I would spend $2.50 on a big bag that would hold this much peppers and onions in it anyways. Speaking of which, same for these fries. Like this is $3.75 worth of fries, and like that seems pretty reasonable to me. So we're going to try it again. It's the TJ Farms brand. We'll try it, see if we like it. If we don't, it was only $1.25 per bag. This is also something that I did not see at any other Dollar Tree. It's Copper's Chocolate, and this is dark chocolate espresso beans. I bought this for a snack for my husband. The kids actually, most of the kids like the apple snacks applesauce last week, so this week we're going to try the cinnamon applesauce. And comparing it to Walmart today, it may be cheaper to get them at Dollar Tree than it is to buy these at Walmart, like brand for brand. Also, this was something interesting in the freezer section. These are cheese raviolis. Usually we're a little more brand specific when it comes to stuff like cheesy ravioli. But again, when you go back to like how many are in here for $1.25 versus when you price it for the name brand ones, it still seemed like a reasonable deal. This is something that I'm planning on saving for if we get snowed in this week. It would be a lunch for if my husband doesn't have to go to work because of snow this week. Which honestly, I'm kind of hoping he still doesn't have to have that happen. But if he does, we'll have a family day at home and we'll do this with some grilled chicken. Again, also a snack for my husband was this bag of craisins, just a regular original cranberry blend of those. And I mean, it's not a lot, but craisins are expensive anyway, so $1.25 for that didn't seem bad. The 3 non-food items on here are, sorry, shadowing, I didn't set up the light today. The craft glue from the crafters section. we needed that for a project, and then also for first aid, the peroxide or the rubbing alcohol and peroxide. So normally at Aldi I buy a 10 pack of their breakfast sausages, but these, I don't know, I'm hoping that it's not just me. I think they're slightly bigger than the ones we get from Aldi's. And it's Jimmy Dean brand. So I figure if I'm getting name brand, it's okay to get 4 less than I normally would. But it's the same cost as what I would spend at Aldi for breakfast sausages. And for some reason the other day, randomly, I was like, you know what? I could go for mozzarella sticks. And I know somebody who usually goes to this Dollar Tree and gets frozen food from there. Said it's pretty good. So it's worth trying. It's just normally with Dollar Tree, sometimes it's brands you wouldn't normally hear of. The food's still pretty good flavor, probably not good for you, but pretty good flavor. And then the other thing about Dollar Tree is, of course, the quantity is going to be less because it's $1.25. So yeah, I'm going to try these this week and see if I like them before I buy them for anybody else. Went back and bought more coffee pods. You've seen the reel where we tried it. If not, I'll try to link it. If not, and if I forget, just let me know in the comment section. Also, we showed it in last week's haul of the creme brulee one. This one is hazelnut, praline, and cinnamon. And then last but not least, we have the hazelnut flavored Modern Pantry lactose free coffee creamer for my lactose free one. Actually, that's not last but not least. Do you guys remember the stocking video I did and I showed one thing from Dollar Tree that I said I was missing? Yeah. Guess what? This Dollar Tree had tons of these. So yes, they are still making these strawberry flavored hard candies. And that is it for our almost $50 Dollar Tree haul. Thank you to all our members for supporting this content and allowing us to continue making videos. And thank you to every single one of you for liking, watching, your positive comments, and subscribing. And we will see you next time.